Every day, caregivers are faced with the challenge of repositioning patients up in bed multiple times throughout their shift, putting themselves as well as their patients at risk for injury. The Hercules Patient Repositioner from the Morel Company is the ideal, practical, and easy solution for safer, more efficient patient repositioning. The Hercules Patient Repositioner is a system featuring an innovative drive unit, a pressure-reducing mattress, and a specialized sheet that all work together to reposition a patient up in bed with the push of a button in a matter of seconds. Your role plays an important part in the proper care and functioning of the Hercules Patient Repositioner, making the experience the best it can be for both the patient and your fellow team members. The following steps will describe in detail how to make the bed and clean the system, ensuring every patient receives the care they deserve. The soft synthetic sheet is twice as long as a traditional fitted sheet and is easily recognized by the colored hem along the edges of the sheet. To make the bed, place the Hercules sheet onto the mattress. Unfold the sheet at the foot end of the bed and locate the large red arrows printed at one end of the sheet. This is the end that will be connected to the drive unit at the head end of the bed. Pull the section of the sheet with the red arrows up to the head end of the mattress. Connect the sheet to the black sheet attachment strap of the drive unit by inserting the ends of the attachment strap into the buttonholes located at the edge of the sheet. Bow the strap to insert both ends. Fan fold the excess sheet between the foot end of the mattress and the footboard, starting with the end of the sheet. The red triangle on the side of the sheet indicates how much sheet remains for boosting the patient. It will start at the foot end of a newly made bed. Press the square unlock and arrow buttons at the same time to advance the sheet into the drive unit until the red arrows have entered the slot of the drive unit. This step is essential to the correct usage of the Hercules device. The attachment strap is used to load the sheet into the drive and is not intended to pull patient weight, so the red arrows must disappear into the drive unit before a patient is placed in the bed. Secure the sides of the sheet by pulling the hem's edge into the sheet clips along both sides of the mattress. Simply grasp the hem of the sheet with both hands, leaving 2 to 3 inches of sheet between each hand and pushing it down into the clip. The sheet will simply insert itself. The Hercules system is now ready to reposition your patient. To remove the sheet after the patient has been discharged, first detach the sheet from the clips along both sides of the mattress by simply pushing down on the sheet clips and pulling up on the sheet. Press the circle sheet release button located on the side of the drive unit. The sheet release button LED will now be illuminated. Pull the sheet from the drive unit evenly in the direction of either the head wall or footboard. Disconnect the sheet from the sheet attachment strap. Remove the sheet from the mattress and place the sheet into the appropriate soiled linen area. After the sheet has been removed, flip the top of the hinged mattress towards the foot of the bed. Open the access door to the drive unit and wipe down all inside and outside components of the drive unit with your hospital-approved cleaning and disinfectant agents. Be sure to clean all areas inside the drive unit, as well as the entire sheet attachment strap. Wipe down the top of the mattress with hospital-approved cleaning agents. Be sure to adhere to the appropriate contact time for the disinfectant agent. Wipe down with water and wipe dry. Detach the mattress straps from the drive unit by lifting the side of the mattress and pulling the strap towards you. Do this on each side to expose the deck of the bed for proper cleaning. Wipe down the underside of the mattress using the same instructions for the top side. Using a cleaning cloth, floss the cloth in the mattress clip to clean the inside of the clip, and wipe down the outside of the mattress clip. Repeat for all clips on both sides of the mattress. Some troubleshooting reminders to help you fix any issues that may arise. Verify that the Power On LED is illuminated. Verify that the Door Open LED is not illuminated. Ensure the head LED is not illuminated. If either of these LEDs are illuminated, the Hercules system will not operate. If the Door Open LED is illuminated, ensure that the black sheet strap is loaded properly. If the strap is loaded improperly through the door opening, the door will not completely close and the system will not operate. To properly load, pass the sheet strap through the slot on the front face of the drive unit below the door opening and ensure the door closes completely. The Door Open LED must be off for the sheet to be advanced and the patient repositioned. If the head LED is illuminated, lower the head of the bed until the light turns off to continue using the Hercules Patient Repositioner. If the red triangle has been inadvertently advanced into the drive unit and the sheet is difficult to remove, follow these steps to remove the sheet. Press the square arrow and lock buttons to advance the sheet, and when the drive unit reverses, pull the sheet out towards the head wall as the drive unit reverses. Repeat these steps until the sheet is released from the drive unit. For any additional questions regarding the operation of your Hercules Patient Repositioner, please contact your Morel representative or call the Morel Company at 855-932-6100.